Welcome to SK English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn English vocabulary about clothes. We will also learn useful verbs we use with clothes. Are you ready? Let's start. Shirt. Shirt. T-shirt. T-shirt. Jacket. Jacket. Coat. Coat. Raincoat. Raincoat. Sweater. Sweater. Hoodie. Hoodie. Pajamas. Pajamas. Blouse. Blouse. Tank top. Tank top. Vest. Vest. Skirt. Skirt. Shorts. Shorts. Dress. Dress. Trousers. Trousers. Jeans. Jeans. Tights. Tights. Boots. Boots. Sneakers. Sneakers. Sandals. Sandals. Slippers. Slippers. Heels. Heels. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. Hat. Hat. Cap. Cap. Scarf. Scarf. Tie. Tie. Belt. Belt. Glasses. Glasses. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Put on. Put on. Meaning to place clothes on your body. Example, I put on my jacket. Take off. Take off, meaning to remove clothes from your body. Example, I take off my jacket. Try on. Try on, meaning to put on clothes to see if they fit or look good. Example, I try on my t-shirt. Zip up. Zip up, meaning to close a zipper on clothes. Example, I zip up my jacket. Zip down. Zip down, meaning to open a zipper on clothes. Example, I zip down my jacket. Button up. Button up, meaning to fasten clothes using buttons. Example, I button my shirt. Button down. Button down, meaning to open the buttons on clothes. Example, I button down my shirt. Kick off. Kick off, meaning to remove shoes quickly using your feet. Example, I kick off my shoes.